Welcome everyone, this is Andy79Z28, also known as the Zinc Master. Anyway, today is an unboxing. Before we get into it, we'll explain what it is. We have a fundraiser going on many channels, actually, many YouTube channels, trying to help a fellow out. Echo Reloading has fallen upon some hard times, and we're making contributions to help him out. This is from Macman. I always forget the rest of his channel name. So anyway, Macman, and basically, you forget what it is, for $5 you get a raffle entry. He's giving away some really nice tools. And then you can, buy $50 worth, or you can buy $100 worth, or you can buy more, whatever you wish. Anyway, on one of the donation levels, there is a free gift that Macman is giving away. And this is, I've seen a few of them now online, that people that have received theirs. Anyway, without further ado, I've already slit the box open. Okay, and let's see what we got inside. Paper. And more paper. Oh, we wrapped it really tight. Alright. Now, this is you'll see when I open up, this is a knife. Okay. It has a belt loop. It has a lock tab, which is pretty cool, so you can't just open it. And here's the knife. Wow, this is heavy. I didn't expect it. It has a belt clip, so you can just slip it on your belt. This is a window breaker, a glass breaker for your car if you ever have to break your window glass. And this is a spring assist knife. Wow. It's double-edged. The blade, I don't know, let's see if we can get the blade. It's not going to show up in the light. The blade has like a scroll. There, you can barely see it. It has like scroll lines in it. Very nice, very heavy. And pull it back and it retracts. This is not a switchblade, people. It's a spring assist or something like that it's called. So this is legal in most states. Wow, this is really nice. Anyway, I want to encourage people to please donate on one of the channels. Macman's channel is the one I'm calling out because he was one of the first ones to put it up, and he's donating some really nice tools. So check out Macman's YouTube channel. I'll try to post a link in it later. That's it. Wow. Really, really nice. Anyway, a short video. I'm not calling it a short. I don't want to ever make shorts if I don't have to. Thank you, Macman. And everyone, please help Echo out. Have a great day, everyone. This is Andy, 79Z28, the Zinc Master, signing out.